Have you ever felt like you've completed a task, but you're not quite sure if it's truly all done and dusted? Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of this common English idiom. Let's start with a funny story. Imagine a new employee named Alex who just finished a big project at work. When his boss asked if the report was all done and dusted, Alex, still covered in paperwork, jokingly asked, "Do you mean literally dusted?" So, what does all done and dusted actually mean? This idiom is used to describe a task or situation that has been completed, finalized, and put to rest. It's often used when you want to convey a sense of finality and closure. Let's see how it's used correctly. Imagine Maria, a project manager, telling her team, "The big presentation is all done and dusted. Now we can focus on the next phase of the project." By using this idiom, Maria is clearly communicating that the presentation is fully completed, and they can move on to the next task. Here are some more examples of how you can use all done and dusted in different contexts. Casual conversation, "I finished cleaning the house, so it's all done and dusted." Formal setting, "The contract negotiations are all done and dusted, and we're ready to move forward." To help you remember the meaning of all done and dusted, think of a freshly cleaned room or a completed project that has been neatly organized and put away. This visual image can serve as a memory aid to recall the sense of finality and closure that this idiom conveys. The exact origins of this idiom are unclear, but it is believed to have emerged in the mid-20th century in British English. While often associated with the military and construction, it also appeared in contexts like housekeeping, implying a thorough completion with all mess and problems cleared away. Dust can also refer to a problem or difficulty, adding another layer of meaning. Over time, the idiom has become a part of everyday English usage. Now, let's explore some related idioms and phrases. All wrapped up, similar meaning, referring to a completed task. Back to square one, the opposite, meaning you need to start over. Tie up loose ends, related to finalizing and completing a task. Try using all done and dusted in your own sentence. "I finished my homework, so it's all done and dusted." Without the idiom, you could say, "I finished my homework, so it's complete." Here's a real-life example of how all done and dusted can be used effectively. My friend Anna was planning a surprise party for her husband. When she finally finished all the preparations, she told me, "The party planning is all done and dusted. Now I can just relax and enjoy the celebration." All done and dusted can be used in future tense to indicate that something will be completed. For example, "It will be all done and dusted by tomorrow." This means the task will be fully completed by tomorrow. Let's test your understanding with a few quizzes. 1. What is the meaning of all done and dusted? A. The task is just beginning. B. The task is still in progress. C. The task is fully completed. Correct answer, C. 2. Which of these is a synonym for all done and dusted? A. Back to square one. B. Wrapped up. C. Just getting started. Correct answer, B. In summary, all done and dusted is a useful idiom that can help you express the sense of completion and finality when you've finished a task or project. Understanding the meaning and proper usage of this idiom can greatly improve your communication skills in English. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using all done and dusted in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you've incorporated this idiom into your own conversations.